Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It is Empress Moxie back with another video. Today I'll be showing you how to get passion braids over your locks. I've been wanting to try this style, but I wanted to give my locks some time to just grow and understand it a little more, because last year I did the faux locks. I have a video on how to do faux locks over real locks. And after that, I realized that some parts of my locks became a little more thin, but it was feeling like a lot of tension. So I realized that when I do extensions like that over my locks, it becomes tender. So I wanted to give my locks a little more time and understand a bit more about styles that I could do over my locks. So today, I'm gonna show you step by step the materials and technique to accomplish this style over your locks. First, what I did, I washed and moisturized my locks. So the purpose of me washing my locks is just to have it not have my scalp be dirty, because I'm gonna have this style in for about 2.5 weeks. These styles don't really last that long because of the type of hair, so that curly hair becomes knotted really easily. So if you didn't wash your locks before this because your locks are already clean or whatever, you could just spritz it with a little water. That will help with the sectioning. We're gonna spray with water and then seal in the moisture of the water with the oil, whatever oil you're using. I use the wild growth oil like I've said, and I also have black castor oil, that's another option, but I don't use gels and other stuff. And because I just washed my hair, some of it actually frizzed out, so what I ended up doing was making sure I at least tightened the front areas by using my lock needle, you know? So the front would look at least neat when I do these braids. So let's get to the sectioning. Based on the reviews of this hairstyle, the passion braids, I hear that they're very heavy, and because I have locks, I don't want too much tension. So I want to do them a little smaller than medium, but not too small. Each of the braids will be thick, but not too thick, so it won't be heavy, is what I'm saying. I don't want it to be too heavy. All right, so we're parting now, but I just wanted to explain what you would need for parting. Rubber bands, of course, and I'm gonna dip these in oil so that it doesn't create tension and break off my locks. Hair ties, seamless hair ties, and your edge toothbrush. New location unlocked. Just kidding. I ended up driving an hour to Colorado Springs, so I'm gonna be doing my hair from here. Yeah, let's get to the parting because I still haven't parted. And quick shout out to my newest subscribers, Jada Royce and Locs of Love. Welcome to the family. I believe there are 2 more new subscribers. They were Velvet Gaskins and Jeanette Pooh. Welcome. Thank you so much for the support. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Alright, y'all. So I had 12 parts in my hair, and that's as small as I could have done them so that it could look even and neat enough. So now we're gonna get ready to start adding the extensions. I'll be using these pre-stretched hair. I have 2 full packs of these. 1 pack I already opened, and you can use your expression hair, whatever type of braiding hair you have, but I'm using this one, and it's in the color 1B. See? It's 1B right there. And the reason why I had this specific hair is because it's like itch-free, like antifungal and itch-free, because when this hair, when braiding hair touches my scalp while I have locks, I feel like it gets really irritated. So I was really specific about the type of hair that I'm using. So now we're gonna separate the hair and prepare the hair, because that's a really important part in doing this style. Alright, so the thickness that I do the braiding hair will differ based on the part of my hair that I'm doing. So the ones at the back are a little bit smaller, and then the ones right here are also a bit smaller. So the amount of braiding hair I use on those sections will be a bit smaller and less than the other parts. And for the curly hair for this style, you need the free tress hair or whatever type of water wave hair you can find. And this one, I also have it in 1B, and it is 22 inches. So that's how it looks. And I actually have 5 packs of these. And I'm gonna be sorting these out because it's important to sort the hair. Just like I sorted the braiding hair, we need to sort the curly hair. And this hair is expected to be crocheted, so it comes a little easy for you to separate. Alright, so when we start off, I started off with the braiding hair. This is what I call the braiding hair. And then this is the curly hair, the free tress hair. So when you start braiding like regular, but you're gonna be tucking your locks as best as possible, because to be honest, the locks will still be visible on some parts of this. So when you're doing this hairstyle, it will be challenging to tuck your locks if you're not already good at that, okay? 1, 2. The first section of hair you do with the braid so far, you're gonna feed in some hair. And I like to feed in at the middle and the side. So you feed it in by putting this hair in the middle right here. It's gonna go with the middle part of the braid and the side right here. So then you're gonna braid it in. That's how you feed it. And you're feeding it with the curly hair, not the braid hair. See? And you're gonna keep doing that. Same thing. Add more hair again. got the finishing touches on these passion braids, and it was an interesting process, but they turned out cute. I like them a lot. This is something that I think would last me a week to 2 weeks. Not a style that will be too long, but it's cute just to try, you know? I like it or whatever. Let me know what you think in the comments. And tell me what other styles you think I should try over my locks. I'm willing to try a few more styles. Since this one wasn't so much tension on my locks, I like it. And also, just a reminder, this hairstyle is heavy, but if you sleep in the right position with the right type of bonnet on this type of hair, it shouldn't be so heavy. And if you style it to the point where you lift it a bit, I think that would also help with the weight of it. But yeah, turned out great. Thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next video.